What if every step you take, every movement you make, could be an act of love? Not love as fleeting sentiment, but as a living, breathing force. A silent kiss upon the earth beneath your feet. In a world rushing headlong to nowhere, can we learn to walk so mindfully that even the smallest step holds the power to heal ourselves and the very ground we tread upon? Thich Nhat Hanh was born in Vietnam, in a time when the air itself seemed heavy with the smoke of war and division. His life unfolded amid violence and political turmoil. Yet he found in the quiet folds of ancient Buddhist wisdom a truth that was disarmingly simple: that presence is not passive, awareness is not idle. Love, when infused into the smallest gestures, has the power to transform even moments of despair into moments of peace. Like Socrates, who turned philosophy inward, urging us to examine the soul, not just the stars. Thich Nhat Hanh invites us to look at the way we inhabit each moment. He reminds us that peace is not a distant dream, but the very ground beneath our feet, if only we know how to touch it. In our modern age, we move as if pursued, heads bent to screens, thoughts scattered across 1,000 tabs in the mind. Our steps are hurried, disconnected, driven by deadlines and algorithms. Have you ever felt it? The way rushing compresses the chest, the way the mind races ahead while the body lags behind. But what if walking were not just the means to move from point A to point B? What if each step could be a prayer, an offering, a quiet dialogue between you and the earth? What if your very body became an instrument of connection, not consumption? This is the heart of Thich Nhat Hanh's invitation. Walk as if you are kissing the earth with your feet. It sounds poetic, almost romantic. But beneath those words lies a discipline, a conscious retraining of how we exist in time and space. To walk in this way is to strip away distraction until each step is wholly yours. To walk is to meditate, to reclaim the breath from the noise of the mind, to remind the heart that it is still capable of tenderness. Modern neuroscience now affirms what ancient practitioners intuited, that mindfulness practiced regularly reshapes the architecture of the brain, slows the reactive impulses of fear, sharpens attention, and deepens empathy. Yet in Thich Nhat Hanh's teaching, this is not merely self-improvement. It is about dissolving the illusion that self and world are separate. To walk mindfully is to see that your life is braided into all life. The rain that feeds the soil beneath you, the sunlight that warms your skin, the countless lives that walked here before you. Every step becomes a small act of gratitude, a recognition of belonging. And here lies the quiet revolution of this practice. In a culture that equates worth with speed and output, slowing down becomes an act of resistance. Choosing presence over distraction is a refusal to be consumed by the machinery of constant doing. Our digital age connects us through wires and screens, yet often leaves us strangers to our own bodies. We scroll for connection while drifting further from the living world at our fingertips. Thich Nhat Hanh's whisper cuts through this noise, calling us back to the physical, to the here, to the now. What if the cure for digital exhaustion isn't more technology but less? What if the path to reconnection is not through another notification, but through the quiet rhythm of breath and footfall? To walk as if kissing the earth is to remember the fragility of what we stand on, the beauty of what we pass through, and the sacred responsibility of being here at all. It is to live not just an examined life, but a felt one, where the mind observes, the heart softens, and the body listens. So step gently, breathe deeply. Let each step be a vow to presence, a testament to love, because peace is not a destination waiting at the end of the road. It is here, under your feet, in this moment, in this breath. Found in the kiss of presence, one mindful step at a time.